Staying cool in a compact space requires efficient cooling, quiet operation, and easy portability without complex installation. Best portable AC for small room solutions deliver fast temperature control, energy efficiency, and flexible placement for apartments, dorms, or home office spaces. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. XAMATTS Oscillating Portable AC. The XAMATTS Oscillating Portable AC is designed for users who want personal, flexible cooling in small rooms, bedrooms, or desk-side environments without complex installation. Its standout strength is the 3-in-1 functionality that combines a portable fan, humidifier, and ice-assisted cooling effect into a compact, modern unit. While it does not replace a full BTU-rated compressor AC, it excels as a personal cooling solution, especially in dry or moderately warm conditions. The dual mist modes work effectively with ice water or ice cubes to enhance cooling, delivering noticeable temperature relief in close-range use, as optimized airflow and duct design keep noise minimal even at higher fan speeds, making it ideal for sleeping, studying, or remote work. Convenience features further elevate usability. A programmable 1 to 7 hour timer, infrared remote control, and DC adapter power design make daily operations simple and efficient. Overall, the XAMATTS Oscillating Portable AC is best suited for users seeking an affordable, quiet, and versatile personal cooling solution for small rooms, desks, or bedside use, rather than whole room air conditioning.
Number 2. SereneLife Exhaust Portable AC. The SereneLife Exhaust Portable AC is a traditional compressor-based unit built for small rooms that need true temperature reduction rather than evaporative cooling. With an 8,000 BTU cooling capacity, it effectively cools spaces up to approximately 215 square feet, making it a strong option for bedrooms, home offices, or small living areas. Its sleek, lightweight design and rolling caster wheels allow easy movement from room to room, adding to its everyday practicality. The airflow rating of 290 meters cubed per hour ensures efficient circulation throughout small rooms. User control is straightforward thanks to the digital touch control panel and included remote control. Adjustable temperature settings, fan speeds, timer, sleep mode, and Celsius/Fahrenheit selection allow precise customization. Operating noise levels between 55 to 57 dBA strike a good balance between performance and comfort, remaining manageable for sleeping or working. Overall, the SereneLife Exhaust Portable AC is an excellent choice for users who want reliable, real air conditioning power in a compact, mobile form factor suitable for everyday home or office use.
Number 3. SereneLife Mount Portable AC. The SereneLife Mount Portable AC is a high-capacity cooling solution designed for users who need serious performance in larger rooms or open spaces. With a powerful 14,000 BTU cooling output, this unit can cover areas up to 700 square feet, making it suitable for living rooms, offices, garages, meeting rooms, or multi-room layouts. Despite its strong performance, it maintains a sleek, freestanding design that blends well into modern interiors without appearing bulky or industrial. Beyond cooling, this unit offers a versatile 3-in-1 system. Controls are accessible by both the LED push-button panel and the included remote control, making adjustments easy from anywhere in the room. Automatic self-evaporation technology reduces manual draining and simplifies maintenance. Noise levels are kept at approximately 57 dBA, which is impressive considering the unit's cooling power. This makes it comfortable for extended use in work or relaxation environments. Overall, the SereneLife Mount Portable AC is an excellent option for users who need high-output cooling with modern features, broad coverage, and dependable performance in medium to large indoor spaces.
Number 4. HUMHOLD Portable AC. The HUMHOLD portable AC offers a strong balance between cooling performance, energy efficiency, and multifunction versatility, making it a solid option for small to mid-sized rooms. With a cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU ASHRAE and 8,000 BTU SAC, it can effectively cool spaces up to 500 square feet, including bedrooms, apartments, kitchens, basements, and offices. Its efficient compressor delivers steady, reliable cooling during peak summer temperatures while maintaining reasonable power consumption, which is useful for maintaining airflow during milder weather. Ease of use is enhanced by the front-facing LED display and full-function remote control, which operates from up to 23 feet away. This allows users to change settings without moving from the couch or bed. The self-evaporating design minimizes water drainage needs, reducing maintenance effort. Overall, the HUMHOLD portable AC is a dependable, user-friendly choice for those who want powerful cooling, effective humidity control, and modern convenience features in a single portable unit.
Number 5. MYICY Windowless Portable AC. The MYICY Windowless Portable AC is designed for users who want fast, localized cooling without window installation or exhaust hoses. Powered by a 2026 upgraded motor and an optimized airflow system, this unit focuses on delivering immediate cooling relief in small to medium rooms. Its advanced motor construction enhances durability and ensures consistent performance while requiring minimal maintenance, covering more of the room than standard personal coolers. With up to 1,620 CFM airflow and coverage of approximately 300 square feet, it performs well in bedrooms, offices, and living spaces. It also works effectively alongside a traditional AC system to improve air circulation. Overall, the MYICY Windowless Portable AC is an excellent choice for users seeking quiet, flexible, and installation-free cooling for small rooms or personal comfort zones.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.